Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Please excuse the state I look right now. I've come home from work and I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the evening. But today's video is what I eat on a weekend. Now I'm going to make on Saturday my mum's famous, well, not famous, but I've been missing my mum's salad recently, so I'm going to make a barbecue salad. So I'm going to show you what we have for Saturday, and then on the Sunday me and Nathan are going to have a nice gammon roast. So I'm going to show you everything as well. Plus I will show you my shopping for the week. Now I get different things each week, depends on what I need and what I don't need. But like I said, we're doing a barbecue chicken salad Saturday, and then a gammon roast on a Sunday. So I'm going to show you all of my groceries and the dinner, so I hope you guys really do enjoy it. This week's food shop, so obviously you've got some Activa yogurts, which are pretty nice. This is a honey glazed gammon for Sunday. I've got some more Anchor butter, some cucumber and spring onions for our salad for today, which is a Saturday. Got a cheese and onion quiche for Saturday. Got these chicken drumsticks for Saturday because we're making it's my mum's barbecue chicken salad. So I used to have this every time it was nice and sunny in the summer. Then got some squirty cream, which you will see. Got some black pepper ham for my sandwiches for work. I've actually got 3 packs of them, so they're really ready for work. Got some lettuce, obviously for salad, tomatoes for a salad. I've got 2 packs of the blueberry Actimels, which are absolutely amazing. If you've never tried the blueberries ones from Asda, I highly recommend. We've got some pork loin steaks as well for Saturday. It's going to be a bit of mix and match Saturday with our salad because it's a barbecue. Then we've got barbecue chicken wings for our salad as well. And then for Sunday, we have the steamed fresh farmhouse mixed vegetables, which are absolutely lovely. You just they come in like separate bags, and you just pop them in the microwave, and I absolutely love them. Then over here, I've got 2 packs of the quavers, which is 12, so I have obviously 1 every day for work, and then whatever's left we can have snacks on. Got Morris Piper's potatoes, which is for our Sunday roast. Got some King's Mill bread for my sandwiches for work. 2 Hellmann's mayonnaise. We got some of this classic olive oil. Then we have some gravy, some roast potato seasoning. Now I've seen this on Asda and I thought, you know what, I'll give this a go and see what it's like. Then these are the meals that I've got for during the week. So I've got a chicken tikka masala with rice. Then we have Nutella, because I'm going to make, some people are going to think these is weird, but Yorkshire's with Nutella and whipped cream. Yorkshire's is basically the pancake mix. So yeah, it's basically pancakes with Nutella. So we're going to make them for Saturday, maybe a Sunday, don't know yet. Then I've got some charcoal chickens, so I can have them with cauliflower rice. I've got a meal for 1 cod marani. Then I've got some chicken burgers for the week as well, so I've got some of them. I can have them with cauliflower rice. I've got a spaghetti carbonara, which I absolutely love. Then the last little bits here, we have a mint chocolate chip ice cream, which is just for me. Nathan's got the triple chocolate ice cream, and we can mix and match if we want to. Got some more plain flour for our Yorkshires, and these. I've got 3 packs of these. Now 2 packs is just enough for me for work. If you've never had these Skinny Whip bars, the mint ones, they are incredible. I absolutely love them. Plus they're only 80 calories as well. So yeah, that has been my food shop. So what I'm going to do is just show you what I've got, and then obviously I will show you Saturday's dinner, and then I will show you what we're having on a dinner for Sunday as well. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what our weekly shop looks like. It's different each week as well. So if you want to see different weeks, then I'll be gladly to do it with you.
Even in the hard times, you and I
to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, give it a like, a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.